Story on this song, I had me and my buddy sitting there, and we had this like kind of like this songwriting drill, which is kind of cool. If you're a songwriter, give this a shot. Say give yourself 30 minutes to write a song about what's right in front of you. And so it was pretty early in the morning, and I had about 16 bird feeders going at this point because we were way out there, and it was like Ace Ventura when you wake up and that thing's like, what's going on? You know. And so this is how this song kind of started, and I just decided I'm on their team, you know, half batshit crazy, half flying away. And then the bones of it came together, and then I wrote the other half with Miranda Lambert. She cut it, put it on a record. So, but here's my version. I think she does her version right though. Actually, hers is pretty cool. I'm against a day when the skies stay bummer gray and the cake tastes just okay. Well, I guess I'm anti-yuck. I'm against the stuff that sucks the life out of your soul and shuts it down. Well, I'm against the thought of letting good tomatoes rot, being someone that you're not when you're not. Well, I guess I'm anti-hate, 'cause that ain't what it takes. It's the love that makes this crazy world go round. But I'm for the sun, I'm for the breeze, old dog sleeping at your feet. I'm for the girls with the curls and the curves. I'm for questions of freedom, celebrating every season for the bees and the trees and the dirt. I'm for the bird, I'm for the bird, I'm for the bird. Well, I'm against the notion of drinking witchy potions and causing big commotions. You know, son, I guess I'm anti-confrontation, rather have a conversation about nothing in particular at all. Yet I'm against them feelings, the ones that get revealing, slamming hearts right into ceilings. You feel me? I guess I'm anti-confrontation, I'd rather have a conversation. Listen to some country music, drink ice cold beers or something like that. But I'm for the sun, I'm for the breeze, old dog sleeping at your feet. I'm for the girls with the curls and the curves. I'm for question, the freedom, celebrating every season for the bees and the trees and the dirt. I'm for feathers, I'm for wings, I'm for toodaloo-lee-tee-tee, for what it's worth. For what it's worth, I'm for the bird, 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 I'm for the bird.